Hi, my name is Francesca and I'm the CEO of Safer Places. In Safer Places, we have developed a global platform enabling private and public entities to identify, map, and evaluate their flood risk. Our team is composed of Stefano Bagli, our CEO, and Paolo Mazzoli, the CSO, both with a background in environmental engineering and data science, then Valerio Luzzi, our CTO, and Francesca La Rosa, our CFO. We are also supported by an advisory board constituted by Professor Attilio Castellarin from the University of Bologna and Jaroslav Misiak from the Euro-Mediterranean Center on Climate Change, who are respectively our mentors in flood hazard modeling and risk assessment. Flooding, together with storms, denote the major natural hazard types in terms of economic damages and number of events. With high confidence, climate change is very likely to amplify extreme weather events and flood hazard in many regions across Europe and globally. Communities will continue to suffer economic and human losses if not empowered with the right tools to prevent the risk associated with these events. The challenge we want to tackle is facing urban flood worldwide, and our goal is to empower communities and public and private actors with appropriate flood risk intelligence. We are addressing the three main types of flood hazards: pluvial, fluvial, and coastal. And we believe that democratizing the access to this information is the key for building preparedness and climate resilience to protect people and assets as well as reduce damages. Today, there is a strong need for tailored flood risk intelligence to evaluate exposure and reduce economic damages, to support the identification of the best mitigation and adaptation measures, and most importantly, to save human lives and assets from upcoming floods. In order to fill these needs, today there is lack of flood data and risk maps evenly distributed at global level and at high resolution. And the current solutions are cost, time, and computational resource expensive. Therefore, they are mostly limited to skilled professionals. The solution we are proposing is a digital twin of the urban environment, which can be generated in few steps for any city of interest. Our solution leverages the increasing availability of high resolution big open data like geospatial, topographic, and climate data, which are integrated to build the different layers of the city's digital twin. They are retrieved automatically by our platform and then combined with innovative and fast artificial intelligence algorithms for flood hazard and damage simulations. The cloud infrastructure and the user-friendly mapping interface allow an easy visualization and inspection of the results, which can be as detailed as to the building level. And they are able to provide accurate and actionable insights on flood risk, with the possibility to test mitigation measures and multiple climate scenarios. By creating a digital twin of the city, our platform is able to deploy a fast, cost effective flood risk data at parcel level with global coverage, while at the same time it can support mitigation and adaptation as well as early warning strategies. After a 3 years project funded by EIT Climate Kick, we have in-house a product with a technological readiness level of 7 that currently includes 10 pilot cities and an online global demonstrator. Only during 2021, we had 250 registered users and 1,500 active sessions. Our business model and pricing strategies are flexible and can adapt to different users' needs, from unlimited uses of the platform to specific data. Summarizing, the pillars that make our technology unique are the exploitation of big open data to create the digital twin of any city of choice, combined with science-based artificial intelligence algorithm for flood risk assessment and mitigations. All of them are embedded in a fast, efficient, and scalable cloud infrastructure. All our models and algorithms are derived from solid scientific research, which led to many publications in peer-reviewed journals. Overall, Safer Places can turn the power of open data, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing into an added value by providing on demand, timely risk assessment information for a variety of different users. They can range from municipalities, urban planner, emergency authorities, to insurance and reinsurance companies, water and energy utility companies, real estate and banks, or any business worldwide. In fact, looking at the global scale, the potential of safer places is huge. For example, municipalities need to adequately prepare against flooding in their territory, taking into account changing climate and evolving cities. While for the insurance, reinsurance, and financial sectors, flood intelligence is a valuable resource for risk scoring and financial disclosure. What many of these actors have in common is that they often lack the knowledge, expertise, or tool to prepare for current and future risks. Safer Places can provide them with what they need. Thank you for your attention.